If 160% of a number is 280, what is 50% of the number? Okay, so ilagay natin into equation para mas maintindihan natin. So 160% of the word meaning multiplication yan. A number, maglagay na lang tayo ng variable na n, is equal sign yan, 280. Okay, pag ganito, pwede po ninyong gawing decimal yan para mas madali po natin i-compute. Therefore, 1.6 n is equal to 280. Para maiwan yung n, divide lang po natin both sides by 1.6. 1.6. So, cancel natin yan. Cancel natin. N is equal to, dito, since decimal yan, gawin po natin whole number. Remove lang po natin yung decimal dito. And of course, pag nag-move po tayo sa denominator, mag-move din tayo dito sa numerator. So, 28, ayan, divided by 16. So, manual division lang tayo. 1, 16. So, 1, 2. Bring down natin 0. 120 divided by 16 is 7. 7 times 16 is 112. So, 8 yan. Bring down natin 0. 80 divided by 16 is 5. N is 175. Now, sabi niya dito, what is 50%? So, kalahati lang ng tong 175 divided by 2 is equal to 87.5. The answer here is letter C. I hope you got this.